I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a notebook and choosing Cloud Sync so your notes travel with you. Click New Notebook, pick one drive, and name it for the project. Once done, add sections to divide major topics. Think of sections as chapters. Then create pages for each session and give each page a clear title with a date and tag. This immediate structure prevents chaos later, and it makes searching fast, so start with a usable scaffold, not an empty dump, and move on. Now capture content efficiently. Type concise headings, then add bullet details under each heading. Use styles to create a clear hierarchy so you can skim later. When discussing diagrams or slides, insert images or record audio snippets. Annotate visuals with the Draw tool for clarity. Attach files and create internal links between pages to avoid duplication. Tag anything requiring action or review. Later you'll filter by tag to build. Finish by refining and sharing. Run search to confirm key facts and use tag summary to collect outstanding items. Export or print pages for review and share specific pages or the whole notebook with colleagues. Make sure to sync before inviting others. If something goes wrong, check sync status and force a sync. Use page versions to restore recent edits. Finally, reconciliate duplicates by merging content into a master page. That troubleshooting tip, check sync and versions, solves most data loss or duplication problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.